Welcome to Real Talk for Men, Relaxation. If it's been one of those days when you've got a few too many tabs open, there might be music playing from somewhere. Let's just turn it all off, reset, start fresh. Clear up the rest of the energy for the rest of the day so you can be clear and present for tomorrow. Find a comfortable place, sit or recline. Whatever feels good to you, this time is for you. Take a deep breath and then exhale everything out. Everything that happened today, blow it out of your body and let it go. Right now, you're stepping into a space of complete restoration. This is for you. It's your time to reset. Clear away mental clutter. Release the tension from your body. Recharge from the inside out. Let go of whatever is not going to help you tomorrow. Today is done. You don't always have to push, solve, and fix everything. Right now, all you need to do is breathe. Let go. Allow yourself to return to your natural state of strength, clarity, and ease. Your mind is powerful. Your body is strong. In this moment, you're taking time to give your mind and your body exactly what they need. Deep, intentional renewal. Imagine a big red reset button. Reach up and push that button and imagine yourself resetting just like a computer, just like your phone. The things that we need to reset when they get cluttered, we need to do that for ourselves too. Breathe in slowly now. Fill your lungs completely. Hold that for just a moment. Feel the fullness of your breath in your body. And then exhale. Let go of all the stress, any weight, unnecessary thoughts. Let it all go. As you breathe, fresh energy flows into you. As your body is resetting, only the programs that need to run will be running. Everything else will be shut down. With each exhale, the tension melts away. You are recalibrating, returning to balance, and only running what's necessary. Feel your forehead soften. Let your jaw relax. Notice your neck and your shoulders. Let them drop. Release any tightness they've been holding. Notice how your whole body feels. If there's any tension, pain, or discomfort, take notice of that. Let everything relax. Breathe into any areas that don't feel relaxed until they do. Let your chest expand. Let your breath be steady. Feel your back, your legs, and every part of you sinking into deep relaxation. You are fully supported. Your body is unwinding. Your mind is clearing. You are returning to yourself. Now imagine standing in front of a massive blank canvas. This is pure potential. This canvas represents your mind, your energy, your entire being, completely renewed, completely open. At the bottom of this canvas, you can see basic programs running that are needed for you to exist. Your basic body systems. Those are important. You don't need to focus on them. They take care of you as you go about your day. This canvas is open for potential, possibility, clarity. There's plenty of room on this canvas outside of your foundational processes that are running for you to create. You're no longer carrying what you don't need. You're stepping forward with a fresh mind, a restored body, and an unshaken sense of focus. When you look at this canvas, let these words settle into you and see what comes up for you. This canvas will be yours to create on. So think about these words. You can repeat them in your mind or out loud, or just let them settle into you. I release all tension and welcome complete renewal and inspiration. My mind is clear, sharp, and focused, and I can see what I need to do. My body is strong, rested, and ready for what's next. I let go of anything that no longer serves me. I wake up every day with a fresh start and a powerful mindset to create something new. Breathe all of that in. Let that become part of you. Take a mental note of what came up that you're going to create. What's clear for you now? Exhaustion is not something that you need. You're operating from clarity and power. When you take the time to reset like this, your power gets refreshed. Now, as you take another deep breath, feel the reset fully take effect. You are lighter, stronger, completely refreshed, clear, recharged, restored. When you rise from this moment, you will move with new focus. You will carry yourself with a sense of clarity and certainty. You'll operate from a place of grounded, centered strength. Stay here a little longer. Let the feeling solidify within you. And when you're ready, open your eyes, take a deep breath, and step forward, fully reset, fully renewed, and fully ready.